AI and RPA. And with robotic process automation, you guys have had that forever before anybody in the industry was really talking about it as it applies to contact centers, because it's been around for about 20 years.
Yeah.
So you have that, and you also
We just
have
never
AI.
called it
You just
robotic
never called
process automation.
Right. But it does that, and people didn't have it.
Yeah, so it's pretty funny. When we heard about robotic process automation, we had this amazing vision. And then what people were actually calling robotic process automation, it's like, oh, we've had that for a long time.
I think I pointed that out to you.
Yes, exactly.
So that, and also AI, chatbots, and all of that sort of stuff. What's up in the horizon for that for you?
Well, we think that there's really two things there. One is there's the opportunity right now for a ton of incremental progress. Everybody's thinking about the home run. And really, the home run is everybody that's ever had a contact center or been a contact center manager or hiring person or supervisor has these dreams about not having to have agents anymore. These pesky agents that we have to hire and train and get to show up every day and make happy and do their jobs and pay them, they're really the obstacle to us really being successful. So everybody has this dream that somehow we can automate it and get rid of them. And that goes back to the beginning of the whole TCPA. TCPA came about because somebody tried to invent this little automatic dialing machine that played recorded messages and would record responses. I mean, that was the original automated agent that caused a bunch of trouble. But there's a huge opportunity for improvement far before we get to anything like really being able to replace agents. Being able to reduce agent handle time, being able to assist agents.
We don't really want to get rid of them, though.
No, I don't.
We want to let them do their jobs better. We want to get rid of the tedious stuff, and that's what's so beautiful about this technology.
That's right, yes. Rather than an agent having to go to 3 screens and make 12 clicks and update information in 3 different systems and cut and paste information from one to the other, it drives me crazy when I see customers doing that. Because the ROI on that is just so huge.
It's so huge, and use it to fund other projects.
That's exactly right.
Just like the gamification.
That's right. But I think we will get to the point where, whether it's in an intelligent IVR, whether it's a chatbot for web chat or SMS, that we'll be able to at least handle portions of customer interactions using intelligent chatbots.
Well, and it really addresses how consumers want to engage with us anyway. They're much more likely to do self-serve before they get to our agents. And so if you can get rid of, large part of that tedious stuff quickly, that's great.
But I think what's most important, if you're going to engage in either some intelligence in your IVR or some AI in chatbots, I think it's most important to have an integrated system.
Yes.
Because nothing will drive a customer crazy more than getting 2/3 of the way through a transaction using some sort of artificial intelligence, and then they need an agent for something, and the agent starts off by saying, who are you? What's your account number? How can I help you? And it all has to be integrated.
Thanks, Jim. We're out of time now, but it was great talking to you and finding out what Noble's doing now and what they're going to be doing in the future. And I look forward to talking to you about it again.
It's been great talking to you. Thanks.